Hi, what you got cooking good looking? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Rose Oatley and today we'll be making a delicious beef broccoli, so stay tuned. Alright, we're going to start by marinating our beef, and you want to buy any stir-fried beef. You can get flank steak, even ribeye, and then just cut it in strips. This one already came pre-cut for me, which made it more convenient. Okay, tip number 1, marinate your beef in a Ziploc bag, less dishes. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of white cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. You want to add 1 teaspoon of sriracha sauce. If you don't have sriracha sauce, just add some pepper. Now we want to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, which will help thicken your sauce. And we're also adding ½ teaspoon of baking soda, which will help tenderize your meat. We're ready to zip our bag. Zip it. Just make sure that you remove all the air. Now you just want to make sure you give it a nice squishy squish. You want to massage it, shake your booty while you're at it too. Shake your booty. Alright guys, we just want to get it all mixed in. Now I'm going to place it in my refrigerator to marinate for at least 30 minutes. You can do anywhere from 30 minutes to overnight. So we're going to be working on our sauce, and we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, which is very stinky, warning, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, which again will thicken your sauce, 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, and ½ cup of beef stock. Let's give it a quick whisk, making sure everything is mixed and dissolved. Okay, so for our veggies, we're going to be using broccoli florets, of course, and I've got a 12-ounce bag here. Some of the pieces are a little bit larger than others, so I'm just going to go in and cut up a few. I'm also going to be adding a red bell pepper, cutting it into strips. You're welcome to use it. I like it for a little extra color and for the taste. If you have it, you want to use a wok or a cast iron skillet. These tend to get a lot hotter, which is what we need, and they also distribute the heat evenly. You also want to use a smoky oil. Do not use olive oil for this. I am using canola oil today, which is a corn oil, or you can use vegetable oil, and you want to add 2 tablespoons. My pan is already smoking, so I'm going to go ahead and add my beef. Spread all your beef out, that way everything gets cooked evenly, and you want to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. It doesn't take long, and the reason that I like to use a wok or a cast iron skillet is because we get that really nice browning that we're looking for. This is what we want, guys. Alright, so it's been 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I'm going to go ahead and transfer this to a plate temporarily. Moving on to our broccoli, we're going to start with a pot of boiling water. I'm going to add my broccoli in here, and I've also decided to go ahead and cook some snap peas with it. You can if you like, if not, that's fine too. And we're going to cook this only for 2 minutes. And then we're going to shock our broccoli by placing it in a bowl of ice water. This process is called blanching. It will stop your broccoli from cooking, and it'll also keep that nice green color along with giving it a nice crunch. I don't know if you've ever cooked your broccoli. You just throw it on with the beef real quick, and then it tends to turn a different color, kind of like a light brown color. And your broccoli gets really soft sometimes. Well, blanching is the answer, folks. You want to leave your broccoli in the ice water for about 3 minutes, and don't be alarmed that we only left the broccoli to cook for 2 minutes. We're going to be stir frying it, so that's fine. Okay, so now we're ready to stir fry. You want to come back to the same wok and then add 2 tablespoons of oil, then 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, just keep mixing it so you don't burn your garlic. You want to make sure that you drain your broccoli and then go ahead and add it to your wok. We want to go ahead and give this a quick mix. Now we want to add our beef back in here. Add your bell peppers. Then we want to add our sauce. Give this a mix. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of salt and pepper, not too much because we already have soy sauce and sriracha sauce. You want to continue cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can serve it on lo mein or a bit of rice, and you can also sprinkle some sesame seeds if you like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.